Hi folks, welcome to Crafts and Collage. I'm Janet. And excuse my voice tonight, I have come down with a heck of a fall cold. Mind you, it's been 3 years of no germs and no colds and so on, so I guess we're due some, huh? Tonight I'm doing an incredibly quick, tiny um, collage, and I just wanted to put something together super duper tiny in our little book, the one we started. So let's glue a couple things in because that's all I've got for this page spread. So I've decided I want to take a chunk right out of the middle of this picture as a background. So let's do that. And I hope everybody stays well. Flu season, cold season coming up. I guess we need to get ready. Is it the same in the southern hemisphere? Like, do you get colds going into the spring and summer? I don't think I've seen that much around here like that, but yeah, you never know, right? So let's straighten this up on the paper. There we go. There. Much better. Let's get some. Wow, I approached that really wrong, eh? That was just a mess, Janet. Holy cow. That was just a pathetic mess. Well, I'm going to put it down to the way I'm feeling. How's that? Do you think I can get away with that? I hope so, because I'm feeling like I'm not right on track tonight. And I hope everybody has a really good weekend upcoming. Canada, we have a national holiday tomorrow, Friday, National Day of Reconciliation. And yeah, and then the weekend. So I hope everybody has a really enjoyable, really relaxing weekend, and that wherever you are, the weather is the way you like it. Here it's just amazing because it's fall weather. It's like, you know, low 60s and into the 50s at night and so on. Why is that moving on me? What the heck happened here? Okay, I think I need to glue 2 pages together here. Something is gone odd. It's a little cheapy instruction book, so we're playing with fire here, folks. So let's just glue 2 pages together, and I'll save the little tiny glue book. There we go. And that should be right now. There we go. All right. So what I have to add to this picture of a luscious English countryside. This is the Lake District in the UK. And what I have to add to it is this awesome little signpost, I guess is what it would be called. Signpost. And I've been hanging on to that. I cut it out of a coloring book years ago, like literally, probably, 2016, 2017 kind of timeline. And I've been just sort of letting it sit there. And for some reason, I feel like this tiny book is the perfect place for it. And once you start these tiny spaces, which I didn't even realize would happen, frankly, oh, this is perfect. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Yeah. That's perfect, folks. Oh my goodness. I really like that. You find yourself, what I've done is started to sort of separate and collect the teeny tiny pictures that I've been hanging on to, just little bits and pieces, and stuff you can work with, but I've tagged them for these tinier these tinier books. And then I had this that I wanted to add, I think. So we're going to cut that out really quickly. And get that in there. Because I tell you, between me and the people I've been talking to daily, like folks that come in, the uh, the 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 mood is lifting. People are feeling lighter the last couple of days, and laugh if you will, but I think the ending of the Mercury retrograde helps. I really do. So there's a feeling good mark right there, and there's my tiny page for today. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Why is that bending on me there? It's the book underneath. There we go. Tiny page. Have a great weekend, folks. I wish you all the best.